Hey, it's Chris. I love helping people. That's why I'm in this business. I love helping seniors more than anything else. But oftentimes there are things that we take on as responsibilities as agents that are not our responsibility, and doing so can actually cost you big money. I'm going to talk about that in an upcoming video at MedicareAgentTraining.com. I encourage you to go over there and watch this video, because if you're taking on this liability, trying to do everything for your clients, thinking you're doing something nice for them, it's going to come back and bite you. It's just a matter of time. You need to check out this video. Come over to MedicareAgentTraining.com. Thanks.